Okay, so I'm going to talk about Marozzos, Primo, Assaulto part 3 and part 8. They're, in my mind, they're very coupled together. Not quite as obviously as parts 2 and 7 are though. So part 3, we have just ended a play, and we lowered down the chord to Feral Larga. We're going to go ahead and gather steps to beat their sword. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and go through the whole play. That we gather step, beat their sword, throw a cut down to the leg. From there, we back up into the fascia, pretend like we're going to parry a blow, and throw a cut around when that blow comes. Back out into the exit, and so on over to part 4. Now let's talk about, first off, the gather step is incredibly important here because what happens here? We're about week to week. Maybe they dodge that, maybe I don't hit them, maybe I don't like what they're doing. In either case, I can back out if I don't like that. But let's just say, assume that we've got everything working out great. Boom, straight to the leg. Okay? Now, there's a few ways to cut to the leg here. One, full extension with the body lean like I'm doing. And when we lean back, that helps us pull up to guardia di faccia. I don't recommend doing this cut with an upright body. Moving the arms back up takes a lot more time than reversing that body lean. The other way that I've seen it done is going for a more upright posture is cutting with the hands up higher towards the upper thigh and using the blade more to help guard us. That's not my preferred way to do it, but this has the advantage of we can push down on the pommel when we pull back and snap into the fascia. So that's part 3. Part 8, we started in Porta di Feral Larga, and it starts off the same way as we throw out that false edge beat there. Same idea, when we do this, we snap that back foot up to go ahead and do our gather steps, get ready for an attack, or a retreat depending on what's happening. So, I come out here, boom, this time my target is no longer the leg, the target is actually the face. One tondo to the face, another tondo to the leg, and I retreat into entrare. Could be the faccia, these as entrare here. Same play from there, throw the cut around, boop, and exit the play. So, what we need to do with these two, in order to really train them in my mind, is A, just get the drill of we throw that false edge beat and we see what our opponent does. False edge beat we hit, and then we go into either the cut to the head or the leg, or false edge beat, they disengage, we re-engage on the other side, do some other action from there. You can put those two together in a variable drill, a nice effective way of working it. And also, this is an easy one to do with varying the footwork, that we're moving back and forth, and threatening a thrust, going into the different cuts in different spots. Okay. Next, cutting to the head or the leg. What I'm going to say is, like with my students, the way that I do this is I have them do a mix-up between the two of them. The attacker chooses, at this point, am I attacking the head or the leg? Defender doesn't know what they're doing. What we find is that when you start adding in that mix-up, the attacker has a much higher rate of success compared to if they were just solely doing the leg or solely the face. So again, parts 3 and 8, you need to train those two together because they're different options of the same type of play.